Ganito lang po. Kailangan ko ngayon, Doy.
Kurikulum, Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Nara del Sur District School-Based Training for Teachers of the Matatag Curriculum. July 9 to 13, 2024, here at our humble institution, Princess Orduhan National High School. Please all stand as we pay homage to our beloved nation. Let us welcome Ms. Janice D. Dumayo for a meet and greet activity.
Okay, muna po tayo lahat. Good morning, everyone! Good morning! Good morning, everyone! Pakisabi nga sa'yo. Pakikarinig yung katabi mo po. Yan. Masaya ako. Nakita kita ngayong umaga. Ay, iba hindi masaya. Nakakakaaway. Okay, kumusta ka? Pakisabi mo, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Okay. So, ano di ba may iba't ibang paraan ng pagsabi ng kumusta sa iba't ibang bansa? Okay, sir? Pakita ka natin. Okay, greetings from around the world. Okay, mamaya gagawin natin yan. Okay, first, sa Tibet, ayan, Tibetan people stick their tongues out a little bit as a greeting. Yan, everybody, stick their tongue out. Okay, that's how they greet people. Okay, next, ayan, alam na natin ito. Sa India, ano sasabihin natin? Namaste. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, namaste. Hindi piniste ka. Namaste. Okay? Do it now, everybody. Namaste. Okay, next. Sa Greece, Greek men greet each other by patting the back of a person. Sir, good morning. Good morning. Okay. Ginawa ba natin sa katabi natin? Wala namang mali siya yun. Ito. Sa Malaysia. A greeting from the heart, Malays stretch out their hands and touch the finger. Para hindi siya, yung lang. Ano yun? Ganyan. Sige nga yung katabi nga natin, gawin ka natin yung Malaysian way of greeting. Yun. Para nalilito. Kailan ko, malapot ba? Okay, next, sir. Ito yung medyo ano na natin to. Ginagawa natin sa Beshies. Okay, Beshi friendship in France, Italy, and Portugal. Okay, ang customary na is to kiss the cheeks 3 or 4 times. Medyo marami na. Ano na ito shadow? Okay, and last, meron pa po. Ayan, sa Micronesia, raising your eyebrows is the way to acknowledge someone's presence in the... Sige nga, pakita nyo sa akin. Patiin nyo ako in Micronesia way. Go!
Kasi ma'am, siya hinahanap ko. Nawala ka bigla. Sabi nga ko sana may upuan dito.
Para mas madali, para mas masaya, sabayan natin sir ng tugtog. Sa first half ng tugtog, para medyo mag-loosen up tayo at medyo pag-isa kasi malamig, sabayan muna natin yung Zumba. And then the second half doon tayo. Gagawin natin yung igo tayo din. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung way or anong greeting yung gagawin natin doon sa katabi. Okay, everybody stand! Galaw-galaw para di!
Pamana!
Pamana! Okay, lahat tayo. Go! Konti para masasabi.
Magaling talaga siya?
Hindi mo talaga kasi magaling niya si Ma'am Kuda. Wala kasi tayo.
5.
Hello. Hello. A pleasant morning to everyone. So, ang ating PSDS, we are grateful to have him today, Dr. Mario T. Solatorio, and also the rest of the teachers, and of course, especially the principals and other school heads. So, this morning, although yung ating weather, hindi siya naging cooperative. But then, it's because of the call of this matatag curriculum we are here today. And of course, to formally open this activity, 5-day activity, meron po tayong mga goals sa ating mga sarili. Nakalagay po ang ating mga pangalan sa, sa attendance sheet natin. Ito po ay nagpapatunay na we are very eager na matuto sa panibagong curriculum na inilalahad sa atin ng Department of Education, of which we have our oath. Maybe 20 years ago, 5 years ago, or how many years we have served in this department. Maraming salamat po sa bawat isa dahil kayo ay naririto. Alam namin na mayroon tayong mga nais maliwanagan. If there are gray hairs, if there are gray areas, tayo ay very much willing. Nandito po yung ating mga naninilaw na mga kasama natin sa umagang ito. Although this is just an opening remarks, pero alam ko, tayong lahat ay bukas ang ating puso, ang ating kaisipan, at higit sa lahat, ang ating mga bulsa. Mga bulsa, kasi we are going to pay for our gasoline or whatever expenses that we have. And maraming salamat din po sa pagpupursige ng ating very active na outstanding principal ng ating Nara del Sur District. Of course, alam natin lahat na ang ating principal without Ma'am Joy Galgo, siguro baka yung mga naninilawan dito ay talagang naninilaw pa rin. But then, aside from anything that we have in our minds today, let us cast away those problems if we have, but instead we have to concentrate for our activity. Naniniwala ako, naniniwala kami, naniniwala tayong lahat na uuwi tayong hindi luhaan, kundi tayo ay may taglay-taglay ng tagumpay na siya nating ibabahagi sa ating mga learners. Again, may God bless us all and a pleasant morning to everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Nelly Aguel, for the very cordial welcome. May bakante pa po sa harap. Draw inspiration from the message of a discreet public servant, a catalyst of Nara del Sur District Head District Supervisor, Mr. Mario T. Solatorio, Doctor of Philosophy.
God is good all the time. God is good all the time. Bago po ako magsasalita, inanyayahan ko naman ng Princess Orduha National High School sa pangunguna po ng ating masipag at magaling na Principal 3, Ma'am Joy Galgo. Terpakan din, Ma'am Joy. Sa ating mga school heads ng iba't ibang paaralan ng elementarya at sekundarya dito sa distrito ng Nara del Sur. Sa ating mga private schools, narito po sila lahat. Sa ating mga stakeholders, participants, PTA officials, President PTA ng Princess Orduha, Pastor Sahot, nakita ko siya dito kanina. very supportive, Pastor Sahot. A pleasant day to us. Welcome po tayong lahat dito sa Princess of Tuha National High School. Kayong lahat dito sa Paralang Sekundarya ng Princess of Tuha ay very cooperative. Simula pa noon, naghahanap tayo ng venue kung saan gaganapin ang matatag curriculum seminar na ito. Ngunit sa magandang loob ng mga guro ng Princess of Tuha National High School, ito po ang preparation. Napakaganda. Palakpakan po natin ang mga guro ng Princess of Tuha National High School. Teacher is the noblest profession. But we are engaged to our learners to impart knowledge, understanding, and skills, coupled with culture, values, to become more effective. Programs, policies, and guidelines among teachers. Through teacher training, capacity building, provision of a better working environment, and development of a strong professional ethics, which would eventually contribute to support curriculum implementation, management programs, projects, and activities aligned with curriculum standards. Ito po na muna natin. Nakalimutan kong batiin ng ating taga-division office. Sir Vic Barcas, siya mag-monitor sa buong 5 araw. Palakpakan po natin, Sir Vic Barcas. Effective programs, contextualization, and implementation of learning standards to make the curriculum relevant for every learners. The professional developments among teachers should occupy topmost priority and be carried out through teacher training enhancement programs, nurturing the quality of teachers as channel of cultural and educational heritage. We hone our teachers as model citizens and patriots, as they project the strongest influence to our learners. Devote self to duty and uphold our laws and policies. Stretches the horizon for partnership and collaboration with stakeholders, sharing knowledge to sustain adequate and appropriate learning resources and environment. This 5-day training seminar of Matatag Curriculum reflect on the aspirations and ways forward to Matatag Curriculum as of now and the years to come. What is Matatag Curriculum, by the way? Make the curriculum relevant to produce competent and job-ready, active and responsive citizen. Take steps to accelerate delivery of basic education, facilities, and services. Ano po ang panghuling ta? Take good care of learners by promoting learners' well-being, inclusive education, and positive learning environment. Ano yung ga? Matatag. Ga. Give support to teachers to teach better. That's why we are here. Lastly, before I end my message, I want to read this beautiful quotation to you. Coming from the Bible, from the Holy Bible. it says that trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not with your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path. Thank you, and a happy day to us.
Of the CID Chief, Sir Pedro J. Dandan. A round of applause. Chief, Sir Pedro J. Dandan.
Isang matatag na umaga po sa lahat. With your respect to our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. LCT Barrios, and our two Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, ESDS, Sir Fael Manalo and Sir Rodel Magnahi. So our District Supervisor, Dr. Solatorio. The cream of this training, our teachers. A pleasant good morning to all of us. Good morning! Good morning! Matindi po natin ang katabi natin ng good morning. And of course, I have here with us our ALS specialist, survey, and this is not only a reunion of all teachers of this district, but it is a renew of our learning. Since you are questioning in our mind that tuloy pa ba ang K-12? Sabi ng bagong secretary, and he is one of the author of this K-12 program, Secretary Angara. Sabi pa natin, bakit palaging training? If there is new president, there is new programs for DepEd. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? And now we are ready to accept the kinder, grade 1, grade 4, and grade 7 for the matatag training, and for this is our new curriculum. But still, those grades that are not still in matatag is still in K-12. Thinking of K-12, kung matutuloy ba ito, hindi na po yun mababago. The implementation is to be strengthened. Being in the family of DepEd, I am very much inspired that teachers stay and with loyalty in the Department of Education. Yes, we need also our high salary because of our what necessities in our family. But, sabi nga, dito tayo nabubuhay pag iginhinap natin ang ating trabaho. Kung you enjoy in your work, there's no way of saying pagod na ako. But if you will not enjoy in your work as teacher, maybe you have another field. Pero saludo pa rin ako, especially to our mga school heads, na hindi pa rin bumibitaw. And we are thankful also to our schools division superintendent that ang division ay lumalapit na mismo sa distrito. And we are also thankful to our president, vice president, I mean, for making us matatag. Kung ito ay panahon ni Zara Duterte, our secretary, baka susunod ang gara ng DepEd. Di ba? Okay. Perception, prediction, and more, because nga, sabi pa nga, dumaw na ang China Coast Guard sa Orduha. Yung pala nakasalpak sa basakan. So ang tao parang hindi pa nangyayari ay iniisip na agad. So anong mangyayari sa atin ngayon sa training? Tandaan po natin, matatag is Ma means making curriculum relevant. Ito na po, sabi natin, ang dami tinuturo, pero kulilat pa rin sa PISA ang Philippines. Pero I'm not worrying. Why? Ginawa na ng teacher ang lahat. Di ba? Huli pa din. Pero, nakikita mo naman ang produkto. No? The product. Faith acceleration for our facilities. Tingnan mo, around. Ang kaganda ng ating mga facilities. No? So, our facility is this. What we have now today, let's take care of this. Dahil nung nag-aaral pa kami, walang ganito. Walang computer. Ngayon, isang click mo lang sa GPT, chat GPT, lalabas na agad. And that's one also to think of. Aalisin na ba ang teacher because the AI? Di ba? Artificial intelligence. Isang pindot lang ng mga estudyante natin. Alam ko na yan, sir. Di ba? And that's why the teacher also accelerate their way and process of teaching. Another thing, sex states also that our learners are well equipped, well balanced, inclusive education. Ang ibig sabihin, wala tayong pinipiling bata. Mayaman at mahirap, may kapansanan, we accept in the school. And the most important for you is liturgy. Give support to teachers. So, ano nangyari niyo sa teachers? Kinunan kayo ng administrative functions. Pero ngayon, meron pa rin. Di ba? Kung isipin ninyo mga mahal kong guro, hindi basta-basta yung mawawala. Kung titignan natin ng isang admin, bigyan siya ng napakaraming assignment. Siya ang LIS, siya ang disaster coordinator, siya ang supply coordinator, lahat na sa kanya. Ano mangyayari sa EO mo? Di ba? So, huwag natin bigla-biglain. That's a transition. Sana maunawaan din ng teacher. Pero sabihin ng teacher, hindi ko nga ibibigay yung aking LIS. Ako talaga mag-i-enroll sa LIS. Sabihin ng advisor, hindi alam pa yan ng EO? Tama? And time will come, our administrative officer will be trained for that. Para mawala kayo ng trabaho. At yun ang pangako ng ating Secretary Duterte. No? But hindi ka agad-agad. So kung titignan natin sa mga multi-grade school, apat ang teacher. Di ba? Apat ang teacher, tapos isang EO, tapos lahat sa kanya na. O ano mangyayari sa EO? Di ba? Titignan mo naman ang mangyayari. Kung gusto mo ma-paralyze din ang school mo, but that is the order. No? So focus on our training today. Your school, I think, one of the to be visited for the central office. So, pakiusap ko lang po, because you are training, enjoy while learning. Tignan ang content, because you are the cream of your school, kayo na mag-implement nito. What is the process? What is the changes? And what to do when you go back to your schools? Ano pa ang dapat kong gawin? So, this is a preparation. Nice. Preparation. Also prepare our classroom, prepare ourselves, and prepare our instructional materials, and most especially, our individual. Ihanda natin sarili. Pa-check up mo na bago pumasok sa school. After the check up, magpa-make up. O diba? Para pagdating sa school, wow, si ma'am, nagpa-hairdo. No? Bagong mukha. Matatag na talaga si ma'am. No? So, congratulations, sir, ma'am. Sana po sa training na to, ang pakiusap ko na lang po ay when we go to our respective rooms, sa ngayon, sabihin na niyo sa inyong mga partners and best friend and at home, ganitong oras ako pwede i-text. Ayan, di ba sa inyong house rule? Ganitong oras ako i-text kasi magko-concentrate mo na ako ng ganitong oras hanggang ganito. So 12 to 1, pwede mo na tayo mag-usap. Di ba? baka dumating yung ating, yun po ang napuna sa atin. We need help our training, di ba? Napansinin ninyo yun, na-call up ang ating attention because trainees daw ay gumagamit ng cellphone while the speaker is having the lecture. So, if you have your questions that cannot be answered, our facilitator, our trainer is here, and do not leave your room without clarifying. Maganda talagang magtanong. Thank you so much for your presence this morning, and to the whole duration, congratulations, and good luck for our different activities this coming school year, 2024-2025. God bless everyone, and thank you so much.
Round of applause. Araling Panlipunan / Makabansa. Mathematics. GLE. Round of applause. Values / GMRC. English. Science. Mopping. And group. The kindergarten group. Mabuhay po ang matatag. And Mr. Hernani J. Serti. For the math department, Sir Jovel H. Sabihon, Sir Hernani J.
Cleanliness po sa ating area. So, please po, i-maintain po natin ang ating cleanliness. Po sa kaliwang building po natin, diyan po natin makikita ang Baños, MAPI at Kinder Department. Then, ganun din po yung ating mga comfort room. So, meron po tayong 6 na area na pwede po natin gamitin na comfort room. Ang bawat comfort room po ay may 3 hanggang 4 na cubicle. So, yung area po ng kabilang building, may 2 area po tayo dyan at may 8 cubicle. Sa area naman naman po ito, meron din po tayong 2 comfort room na meron din pong 8 cubicle. Ganun din po sa kabila, may 2 area at meron din po tayong 8 cubicle. Then, nakikiusap po kami sa lahat po ng mayroong mga sasakyan. Kung maaari po, ilagay po natin yung ating mga sasakyan sa mga tamang parking area. At yung parking area po natin, kung pwede po, dyan po sa likod ng TBL building. Kasi po kung nasa harap po, medyo kapag tuloy-tuloy po yung ulan, maaari pong pumutik yung ating harapan. So, hindi po magandang tignan. So, kung maaari po, mamaya o bukas po, nasa tamang area na po tayo. Sa likod po ng TBL building na po na to. Ayan po. Then, ganun din po, idagdag po rin po, meron din po tayong 6 na water dispenser kung kailangan yung mga tubig nandiyan po sa ating mga labas. Kung kailangan po natin, gusto po natin mag-coping, nandiyan din po yung ating mga food sa labas. Kung ano po yung mga kailangan, at direct po na pwede nyo po kung agad kontakin at sabihan po. Yan na po at maraming salamat.
Additional reminders po natin. So, the total of 120 participants supposed to be po ang funded by the Matatag rollout. Then, may mga Sir Mar, i-inform lang po kita, there are school heads po na wala dito ngayon, pero hindi rin po sila nagsabi na may replacement. That's why nakakagulat na may dumating po na hindi naman kasama po sa ano. Pero still meron po tayong provision doon. Nakag-listing lang doon sa ilalim yung walang pangalan. And kanina nakita ko yung 6 po.
So kung wala po kayong scanner, pwede nyo pong i-type yung kanyang link sa inyong browser.